my beloved students, how do you do? Okay, here I say that to you, how do you do? Because this is the first time for our meeting. And then if I see you again, I would like to say you, how are you? How's your life? And etc. Okay, in this occasion, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Murniati MPD as an English teacher here at Semantang. Okay, as you know that, if you newcomer, new students here, so you can introduce yourself with your other people, other students. Here, I would like to explain that the first meeting about introducing oneself and then introducing other self. Besides that, any material, for example, greeting, leave taking, and to be, and has and have, the last one, and then pronouns. Okay. I would like to complete my introducing. My name is Murniati MPD. I live in Pagelaran, Pringsewu. And if you want to ask me about something, for example, about our material, so you can contact my phone number on 0813794881 and 6. My status here, married, and I have 4 children. The first one, they are twin. They are twin, boy and girl. And then the third one, I have boy, and then the last one, girl. I think that I have many hobbies. For example, traveling, cooking, others. But besides I am a teacher, as a teacher, I prepare cooking because I must prepare my breakfast, dinner, and lunch for my family. I ride my motorcycle from my house to our school. I think that's 18 kilometers from my home to our school. It's for 15 until 20 minutes from my home. The next one, I am as a teacher here, and I moved here from 2010. Finally, I think that's all for my introduce myself. And then before I explain you about our material, I would like to read our KEI or kompetensi inti and KD kompetensi dasar. Okay, thank you. Okay. Before I explain about our material today, so I would like to read about our material. The first one about greeting, the second one introduction yourself, and then the last one introduction other self. Ini bagian dari materi kita untuk yang akan kita pahami dan pelajari tentang greeting, yang kita kenal dengan sapaan. Yang kedua itu memperkenalkan diri sendiri, dan yang ketiga itu tentang memperkenalkan orang lain. The first one, greeting. Greeting is an expression which is used to address someone or other people. Greeting merupakan sebuah ungkapan yang biasanya dilakukan oleh seseorang untuk bertegur sapa dengan orang lain. There are 2 types of greeting. Ada 2 tipe greeting. The first one, formal greeting. For example, hello, and you can respond as hello, and good morning, Dad. good afternoon, good night, good evening, depend on your situation. Tergantung dengan situasi kalian. Misalnya pas di posisi atau situasi pagi kita mengucapkan good morning, good afternoon kita mengucapkannya pada siang hari sampai dengan sore, good night, good evening. And then the next, how are you doing? How are you doing? How do you do? Nice to meet you. The differences between how are you doing and how do you do, if how are you doing or how are you today, if you know him or her well. Jika kalian bertemu dan kenal baik dengan dia, jadi kita menggunakan how are you doing atau how are you. But how do you do jika kita belum pernah kenal sama sekali, well known before. Dan responsesnya itu ada hello, good morning, good night, good evening. I am very well, thank you. How do you do? Nice to meet you. And then the second one is informal greeting. Dan yang kedua merupakan tentang sapaan yang tidak formal. Biasanya kita menggunakannya di acara yang tidak formal, misalnya kita menyapa teman sebaya, atau dengan teman-teman kita yang selain kita hormati, dalam arti yang lebih tua dari kita. Misalnya, hi Tio, hello Budi, and then you can respond is hi, hello. Okay, here I would like to give you about introducing oneself. Di sini ada beberapa introducing tentang memperkenalkan diri. Ada yang kita langsung mengatakan I am Nia, I am Murni, or I am Anton. But if you want to polite about your introducing yourself, so you can say that greeting first, good afternoon, good morning. So you can continue about introducing yourself. For example, my full name Kartika Kirana. My nickname is Kartika. Hi, I am Kartika. Hello, my name is Kartika. Good morning, my name is Kartika. May I introduce myself? My name is Kartika. Let me introduce myself. My name is Kartika. And response is, if you say that introducing yourself to others, and then he or she can respond says, hi, I am Oki. Glad to meet you. Hello, my name is Oki. Pleased to meet you. Good morning, I am Oki. How do you do? How do you do? My name is Oki. Nice to meet you too. And then the next one, you can see that about contoh dialog introducing oneself. There are two persons between Gilang and Nando. Excuse me, I don't think we have met. I am Gilang. Hello, I am Nando. I am your new neighbor. Oh, really? You moved to the house next to me, aren't you? Yes, it is. Please come to my house this afternoon. I baked some cookies. Sure, thanks. Nice to know you, Nando. Nice to you too, Gilang. Okay, besides dialogue about introducing oneself, there are text introducing oneself. Jadi, ada yang namanya kita memperkenalkan diri kita sendiri melalui dialog, berarti kita bercakap-cakap dengan teman kita atau percakapan lebih dari satu orang. Ada juga yang menggunakan teks, jadi kita memperkenalkan diri kita dengan teks. For example, like this. Good morning all, allow me introduce myself. My name is Ruby Andindita. I was born in Padang on 30 November 2009. Now, I live in Bandung. Right now, I stay at my uncle's house. Now, allow me to introduce myself further. I like things that smell of adventurous and small things like reading, watching, and spend my free time by doing nothing. Okay, now about me and my family. I am the second child in my family. I have a little sister, and she is kindergarten student. My father is a teacher of English, which is named Dodi Sudirman. While my mother is a housewife, I love my family more than anything. Well, that's my introduction this time. Pleased to meet you. Okay, and then the last one is introducing other self. Okay, introducing other self is introducing the other person when they never meet that person. Okay, introducing other self ini merupakan perkenalan antara satu dengan yang lainnya yang sebelumnya tidak saling mengenal antara satu dengan yang lainnya. For example, do you know Siska? Nah, jadi ada misalnya antara Budi dengan Herman sudah saling mengenal, sementara Herman dengan Siska itu belum saling mengenal. Jadi Budi memperkenalkan Siska dengan si Herman. This is a friend, my name is Saka. Roy, this is Leo, my friend. May I introduce my friend, Mom? Dengan responsisnya, no, I don't think so. Hi, glad to meet you. I am Saka. Hello, Leo. Pleased to meet you. I am glad to you. Nah, ini tentang contoh dari dialog introducing others between Sylvia, Pipit, and Derry. That's Derry. Do you know him? No, I don't. Hello, Derry. How are you? Hello, Sylvia. I am fine, thanks. Derry, this is a friend of mine, Pipit Nurlaili. Hello, Pipit. Pleased to meet you. Hi, Derry. Pleased to meet you too. The next one, dialogue between Sarah and Rita, Sarah and Puji. Hi, Rita. How are you? Fine. You? I am fine too. Rita, this is my friends who has been taught by me, Puji. Puji, this is Rita. Good morning, Rita. Nice to see you. Good morning, Puji. Nice to see you too. Okay, my beloved students, I think today is enough for our material about introducing oneself and then introducing other self. Besides that, there are many material, for example, greeting and then leave taking. But I would like to explain about to be, have, has, and the last one pronouns for the next time. See you!